Say echo. On the lock and go. Zion echoes. Me chant a prayer upon me knees at night. For the warriors out there where you fight the fight. In a the battlefield we hold Jah light. No fear the darkness, Jah make it bright. Them try to test me but Jah give me strength. Through every trial Jah extend the length. We walk with courage, we know how to pretend. We are warriors for life till the very end. Oh Jah hear me cry, guide me hand. Help me trod through the sinking sand. Them can't hold we down. Jah bless the land. We fight for justice, we make the stand. Jah warriors, strong and free, guided by Jah in a unity. Through the fire, through the sea, we chant Jah name for eternity. Babylon system them built fi oppress, but Jah wisdom we use fi progress. We no bout fi greed, we no bout fi stress. Jah love are the armor where we possess. Fi every youth we suffer, me say hold the line. The path might rough, but Jah make it fine. We stand as lions in the jungle divine. The spirit of Jah it forever shine. Guide me soul, Jah keep we steady, make the story unfold. With every beat and every word me hold. For the warriors out there bold and untold. We prayer rise like the morning sun. For the warriors we fight till the battle done. He say one by one we overcome. Jah light of the victory we can be won. With Jah shield on me heart, me move me press. Every step a blessing, me can't distress. We chant the psalms, we no second guess. Jah warriors, we forever bless. Oh, oh, oh. Oh Jah, me thank you for the strength to give, for the courage to fight and the love to live. In a this prayer, me soul you live. Jah warriors chant, for Jah we give. Jah warriors, strong and free, guided by Jah in a unity. Through the fire, through the sea, we chant Jah name for eternity. Jah warriors, strong and free, guided by Jah in a unity. Through the fire, through the sea, we chant Jah name for eternity. chant, we testify. Oh Jah, the flames within me heart make me strong, make me take me part. The fire of love, a divine art. Jah guide me steps from the very start. Through the ashes, new life rise. The fire within, it a touch the skies. The wicked them flee, them can't disguise. Jah truth a blaze, it can't demise. For every youth, the fire I give, make the spirit strong, make the burden shift. The flames of love we chant and uplift. The fire within, Jah blessings drift. Fire blaze eternal and free. Jah light a shine for eternity. The fire within, it a guide we see. Through the storms, Jah set we free. Fire Jah blaze eternal and free. Jah light a shine for eternity. The fire within, it a guide we see. Through the storms, Jah set me free. Zion echoes. Rasta man so high, man, give me the sweet car. Them chain the people, try to lock them voice, but Jah truth arise where them can't disguise. Riddim on the battlefield, make the world rejoice. Babylon a tumble, we make the righteous choice. Feed the ghetto man, the queen, the picnic them. We sing a song for freedom like a healing stem. No matter how the storm rage, we not condemn. We hold the light of Jah, it a guide the gem. Rise up the banner high, let it wave in the sky. Every man and woman knows that freedom can die. The chains of oppression, Jah break them apart. We chant the psalms, let the healing start. Freedom chant, we a chant it strong. From Kingston to Africa, them have to sing along. One love vibration, make the weak them strong. Jah fire keep burn, it can't go wrong. Feed the youth in the streets where them try to silence. We chant feed the peace, no war, no violence. Riddim in our veins, it a moving sequence. Jah love on the earth, it a make the difference. Rise up my brother from the dust below. Sister, you a queen, let the knowledge flow. Babylon system can't hold the glow. We break every chain, make the blessing show. Lift up your eyes to the hills above. Just send the rain fi wash we in love. No matter how them fight with the strength can't end. We are soldiers of Japan, Jah we depend. Freedom chant, we a chant it strong. From Kingston to Africa, them have to sing along. One love vibration, make the weak them strong. Jah fire keep burn, it can't go wrong. Through the deserts dry, Jah ascend the breeze. Through the forest dense, Jah protect with trees. No man is a slave, Jah break the disease. We stand as warriors, Babylon on its knees. Them say we small, but Jah make we great. Through every trial, me walk with faith. Freedom chant, on every gate. We rewrite the script, change the fate. Freedom, freedom, Jah song of grace. Lift every nation to a higher place. Babylon can't stop the love we embrace. We chant the freedom for the human race. Freedom, freedom, Jah song of grace. Lift every nation to a higher place. Babylon can't stop the love we embrace. We chant the freedom for the human race. Freedom, freedom, Jah song of grace. Lift every nation to a higher place. Babylon can't stop the love we embrace. We chant the freedom for the human race. and echoes. Aye, 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 smoke chalice with Svedka. Yeah man, hear the drum beat, it a call me soul. Through the valley make me strong and bold. Selassie I'm a guide, no take no wrong road. Forward pon the journey, light where the truth unfold. For every youth we fight the fight, rise up like the morning light. Me nah bow for Babylon, me sight it bright. Wicked can't stop Jah fire, it a burn all night. Them said the struggle real, but Jah make it clear. Through the thunderstorm, me nah have no fear. The mountains high, but me climbing steer. Jah words in my heart, make the vision near. Zion path, me I trod it for life. Through the storm, through the strife. One love, me chant, make the spirit ignite. Jah Jah bless my steps in the heights. Me see the wicked, them a plan fi deceive, but Jah love deeper than the sea we breathe. Them things say them strong, but them hearts still grieve. When righteousness conquer, them can't believe. Babylon tower, it a tumble down. Truth and justice, Jah wear the crown. For every ghetto youth rise above the throne. Make them know, say we kings, make the trumpet sound. Oh, 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 me chant for liberation. Roots and culture, my foundation. Me nah go stray, hold the meditation. I feel uplift Jah Jah nation. Through the fire, me no turn back round. Every trial, Jah blessings abound. Be a warrior, born feel wear the crown. Jah spirit on the battlefield, it can drown. For the youth we suffer, me sing me song. Tread the righteous road, even when it long. Selassie I guide, we make the weak them strong. With the banner of love, Babylon can't prolong. Oh Jah, me sing, me pray, me kneel. For the blessings when my soul reveal. Guide me upon the Zion wheel. Babylon can't take way real. Oh Jah, me sing, me pray, me kneel. For the blessings when my soul reveal. Guide me upon the Zion wheel. Babylon can't take way real. Zion echoes. Another hot day with Svedka. Yeah man. Me roots run deep like the banyan tree. From the mountains to the sea, Jah Jah set me free. Reggae beats I play, feel the harmony. For the ghetto youth rise up, claim the victory. Them say me culture old, me say it timeless. Wisdom pan the rhythm, Jah make it finest. The ancestors guide we through the blindness. We carry the touch, the flame is brightness. Them can't bury the truth where we hold. The story of his struggles can be told. From the elders to the youth, the fire unfold. Roots and culture, richer than gold. Roots and culture, the strength where we keep. Through the struggle, through the tears where we weep. Hold the banner high, we are tried it steep. Feed the future generation, the love run deep. Every drum beat, carry the storyboard. Feed the youth we cold, give them Jah Jah gold. The knowledge of the past can't ever fold. It's a treasure more precious than diamond or gold. Feed the world divided, just say unite. Me chant this song a day and night. Through the darkness, Jah light shine bright. Roots and culture, hold it tight. The ancestors whispers, them tell we true. Make we know Jah plan, make the heart renew. The fire of the past are like feeding you. We trod forward strong, righteousness pursue. Roots and culture, the strength where we keep. Through the struggle, through the tears where we weep. Hold the banner tradixity. For the future generation, the love run deep. Oh Jah, the spirit of you rest upon you. Inna the roots of the earth, the culture grew. For the youth we stray, Jah call them true. The vibes are the healing where we pursue. The reggae music carry the essence strong. In the rhythm of the heartbeat, Jah love belong. The legacy live, we chant Jah song. Roots and culture, we carry it along. Oh Jah, the spirit within, feed the world we sin. Make love begin. Roots and culture, me family kin. The battle is tough, but we sure fi win. Yeah. Riddim of life, it's a place so sweet. Every heartbeat, it's a move me feet. Jah guide the melody, make the vibes complete. The song of life, we a trod on repeat. For every rise and fall, the rhythm stay true. Through the darkest times, Jah make we renew. The drums of creation, them beat for you. The rhythm of life, it a carry with you. Oh Jah, the rhythm a guide me way. Make me strong in the night and day. Through the valleys low and the mountains gray. Rhythm of life, Jah words we say. Rhythm of life, Jah make it flow. Through the highs and lows, Jah blessing show. The song of creation, it make we grow. Rhythm of life, the truth we know. The bassline deep like the ocean wide. Jah love in the rhythm, we can't hide. The melody sweet, it a touch we inside. The rhythm of life, the spirit a guide. Them can't stop the vibes where Jah provide. It a carry with you like a holy tide. For every soul, the rhythm collide. With Jah music, we always abide. Oh Jah, the harmony true and divine. For the hearts we're broken, it realign. The rhythm of life, it a make we shine. Jah love eternal, it can't decline. For every youth, the rhythm a teach. For every soul, it a try fi reach. Through the darkness, the light we preach. The rhythm of life, Jah message speech. The song of life, it a never end. The vibes of Jah, it a transcend. The rhythm of life, Jah a defend. With love and peace, Jah spirit send. Rhythm of life, it a always play. Inna the night, inna the bright of day. The melody of Jah, it can't betray. Rhythm of life, Jah words we say. Jah light on me face, grateful for the blessings and the gift of His grace. Babylon them a fight, but we replace. We no run from the system, we embrace Jah pace. The journey long, but we carry the fire for the hearts we cold. Jah love inspire. Them try fi blind we with them earthly desire, but me soul reach higher. Me not tire. Them can't dim the light when Jah provide. Inna me heart, the spirit reside. From the hills to the sea, we trod and glide. Jah Jah love are the ultimate guide. Jah Light chant forever. Through the stormy weather, we rise together. Me people clever. Jah light it shine forever. Them try to lock the door, but Jah open wide. Them try to break with faith, but Jah take the ride. With the rhythm and the vibes, me no have to hide. Me chant it loud, the truth can divide. For every man, every queen, every child out there, hold the banner high, no live in a despair. Jah light at the beacon for the ones who care. Forward we a march, we no take no fear. Oh, Jah guide me steps in a the darkest hour. For every tree we grow, Jah provide the power. Through the thunderstorm, Jah make the blessing shower. We rise up stronger than the Babylon tower. The light of Jah shine bright on me way. Even when the clouds darken up the day, we keep the meditation, chant and pray. The works of Jah we have to display. For the youth we feel lost, Jah show the path. For the ones in the struggle, Jah break the rot. With the love we Jah give, we take the path. Cleanse the soul, make the joy surpass. Jah light me say, it can't fade. For the truth we shine, the foundation laid. Inna the valley or the mountain shade, Jah light forever, it can't degrade. Jah light shine forever. Through the stormy weather, we rise together. Me people clever. Jah light it shine forever. Jah light shine forever. Through the stormy weather, me step on the road where Jah prepare. With the breeze on me face, the vision clear. The hills them steep, but me can't fear. Jah guide me steps, me know him near. The stars are shine like the ancients' eyes. Them tell we the truth, them expose the lies. The rhythm in me heart, it can't disguise. We chant Jah name, it a reach the skies. Oh Jah, me spirit rise like the sun. Through the struggles, me know the battle won. The mystic path where we trod upon, a journey for truth where can be done. Mystic journey for the soul to grow. Through the valleys deep, Jah blessings flow. We are trod the heights where few can know. Mystic journey, Jah light a glow. The whispers of the trees, them tell me tale of warriors strong when no bow or fail. Through the thunderstorm, through the hurricane gale, Jah love at the anchor where we always sail. The earth a guide with, the heavens inspire. The rhythm of fuel, feed the soul's desire. Feed the mystic heights, Jah take we higher. Through the cleansing rain and the holy fire. Oh Jah, me follow the signs you give. The path of life will set me free. Every step a mystery way unfold for me. The mystic journey, eternal and free. Them a wonder how we find we way, but Jah wisdom guide we night and day. For every struggle, me chant and pray. The mystic journey can lead astray. For the youth we search, the elders them show. The roots of truth make the spirit grow. The mystic journey, Jah make we know. In a delight, we are always glow. Mystic path, Jah make it clear. Through the trials, me know him near. The journey of life, the spirit cheer. Mystic journey, me trod with care. say one people, one heart, one mind. Jah message of unity we have to find. Through the struggles where we face, we realign. Unity call make the world combine. For the nations we're torn by hate and greed, Jah love are the answer where we need. The roots of we ancestors plant the seed. Unity call for every creed. Oh Jah, the call of love we hear. Make we rise above the pain and fear. The path of unity Jah make clear. We chant for the world, Jah words declare. Unity call for the hearts to mend. For the broken souls, Jah love we send. One voice, one song, it not pretend. Unity call, we chant till the end. From the ghetto youth to the kings and queens, Jah call we all, make we dreams redeem. The power of love are the ultimate scheme. Unity call the eternal theme. We broke down the barriers where Babylon built. For the hearts were wounded, Jah love instill. The vibes of peace, the world fulfill. Unity call, Jah holy will. Oh Jah, the voices rise as one. Make the light of peace shine like the sun. Unity call, Jah work just begun. We chant the song till the victory won. Through the valleys dark and the mountains high, the unity call we can't deny. For the future youth, Jah words apply. One people, one love, Jah truth supply. The call of unity, it a break the chain. The love of Jah, a soothe the pain. With every voice, we chant the refrain. Unity call for the world to gain. Unity call, it a echo strong. For the broken world, Jah right the wrong. With love and peace, Jah make we belong. Unity call, Jah voice we song. We said the world needs love, no more hate. Babylon system, them seal them fate. We rise above them with Jah as me mate. Love are the key, for it not too late. In the streets we say spread the peace. For every war we one make the violence cease. The healing where we need, Jah release a revolution of love. We chant for increase. Me say one heart, one aim, one destiny. We chant it loud for the world to see. Through the struggles and pain, just set we free. A love revolution, we unity. Love revolution, we rise and sing. One vibration for every king and queen. Me say love, Jah love are the healing thing. For the world in pain, let the joy begin. From Kingston to Nairobi, we chant the word. Every corner of the earth, the message heard. Love are the weapon sharper than sword. Babylon tremble when the people move forward. No matter the race, the creed, the land. We all are one people, we have to overstand. We broke down the barriers with Jah command. The revolution of love are the master plan. Oh, 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 the rhythm of flow. The seeds of love, me have to sow. We plant it deep, make the healing grow. Jah love at the river where overflow. We say love in the action, love in the sound. Love for the people. surround. We chant it on the hills, on the battleground. A revolution of love, we can't be bound. Love, love, the ultimate power for the world in darkness. Jah make it shower the revolution of love for every hour. We rise above hate, Jah make it tower. drumming in the beats. You take you treats, so I am money. If you fire, I am money. You fire, I am money. If you fire, I am money. Sing that sweat's better what for you, and everything is rolling for the 82. The only fire less is what's away. That this is siren seed to be a less to the gate. The post-let clay got head still safe. The waping at the street and now the way the clay. They spoke the wrongs right, the skates are here. You can sail the note, you got to deck the trips to higher. I am money. Every fire, I am money. Fire, I am money. Every fire, I am money. file in harmony, so pure and true. Let the music take us through.